Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've picked up, I'm going to say this, Quovers knife sharpening set. It's CWOVRS. I don't know what that's supposed to stand for. I'm probably saying it wrong, but anyway. So this is the Quovers knife sharpening system, precision controlled angle 15 to 30 degrees, knife sharpener with a base, 3 diamond stones, and 3 natural stones. Okay, so this is the large kit that I bought. The large kit was $80 Canadian, and I got this off of Amazon. So I've got this mid-grade knife set, probably lower mid-grade, and these kind of sharpeners that you drag your knife through, they're really popular, but they're garbage, and they only sharpen like part of your knife, and they don't do a good job. And your knife set quite often comes with a sharpening steel, and this is really more of a deburring tool. So I'm not a sharpening expert, but yeah, this doesn't really sharpen your knives, it kind of deburrs them. So let's open this up. It comes in a nice plastic case, but it doesn't have a handle on it. So it would have been nicer with a handle, but I love the case. Okay, inside we have our instructions. We have, okay, I don't know what all this stuff is yet. So you get all these parts. Okay. These are pretty heavy, so that's pretty cool. It's got an Allen key and some packaging. What are these? Oh, this is like a leather stromp. I think they're called stromps. And this is also for deburring, so we'll get into that after. Let's open this up here. So this is the large kit, and I'm not sure what all... Oh, this is pretty. That's a pretty stone. Sharpening stone, super fine, number 1000. That's pretty. Like, look at the color on that. It's really nice. I like that. Okay, and then we have the base. So one of the reasons that I bought this was because of the base and the knife holder. And then we have more of the sharpening stones. There's quite a pile here. All right. Okay, well, these are really, really nice. 1500 grit, 2000 grit, 3000 grit, 6,000, 800, 400, 180. All right. So you have your different grits. Oh, this is a 10,000 grit. It's not a 1,000. It's 10,000 grit. It's like super smooth. All right. So how many of these stones do we have in total? We have 8 stones, and then an ultrafine stone, and then the leather stromp. Tighten the clamp. Okay, tighten that so it doesn't move. Oh, so you can set these. You can move them around. Oh, I gotta remove that. Okay, so there is a set screw in here that you have to take out. And you screw this in. Okay. Put it in. And what you do with this one here is that you just tighten it up, okay? So you tighten that up so it doesn't move. This sets your angle for your knife. These rubber pieces go on here. And they hold your knife in there securely, safely, like so. Put that through the back. So set the end in here. It's beveled. Get your stone in. Put this in. Set the cam. And that seems a little tight. Okay. So this will buckle a bit if it's too tight. So I want it in, and I want it to be kind of tight. I don't really want it to buckle because I don't want to break my stones. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Just going to adjust it so that there's no gap here. So that's not bent like this on an angle. Okay. So you want to move these, so there's set screws here. Move that to hold your knife. So I'm just going to set it kind of to the wider parts here. Tighten that up. Then I'm going to take the set screws and loosen this off a little bit on both of those. Put my knife in. And okay, and just tighten those up so it doesn't go anywhere. That looks good and sturdy. That looks good and sturdy. Okay, so now I have to set my angle, and I have to set this. So set my height, and it says use a protractor app on your smartphone. So it says on this we want it to be at 3 degrees. So let's bring that down. All right, 3.2. Let's tighten that up. We'll get this one at the back here. We'll tighten this up to support it. We'll tighten this up with a screwdriver. So they say to start here, and you want to pull it all the way out, and then you want to push along and cover the whole edge, right? So pull it out, start at the very tip here, and move to about here. So don't hit this part. So you get to start, and then you're pushing up and coming across at the same time, right? And get the whole length of the blade from. Got some 3-in-1 oil I'm going to put on this, and then I'm going to rub it along this whole thing. Let's get some more. So this is cool. So you just pull this back, and then you flip the knife over, and you go again, and you start the opposite way. All right, let's see how we did. We've got some tomatoes here, and okay, that's much sharper. Okay, that's really cool. Look at that. All right, so even though this isn't quite perfect yet, that's really awesome. Like, you could see through the tomato. Like, that's so thin. So, yeah. Okay, so this is my first time I've sharpened with this system, and I've already got great results. Whatever you do, do not drop one of those little ceramic stones. I've already broken one. I'm a little upset with myself, but I'm going to put a towel down underneath me just in case I drop another one. So now I'm going to go sharpen the rest of the knives and see what my wife thinks. Final thoughts. Do I like the product? Yes, I think it's a good value at $80. You can buy one of these crappy ones for $30. That's really difficult and somewhat dangerous to use. And I love the idea of how they've set this up. I like the idea that you set your angles, and then once it's set up properly, you can flip the knife over and sharpen both sides. You can relatively quickly change the stones. I like the fact that it clamps onto the table. The setup, how it clamps the knife is really awesome. How you can just pull the knife back and flip it over so you can sharpen the other side without having to remove the knife and tighten the knife back in. Brilliant idea, just genius level stuff. That's so simple and so effective, spring loaded. I loved the way that it functioned. It was very smooth. So this does it not exactly quickly, but you know, every once in a while you have to take all the knives out and tune them up, and this does a good job. And for $80, I think it's a great value. The problems that I had with it, I broke one of the stones by dropping it. So don't drop the stones. Secondly, when you mount these in, don't over tighten them because they will flex, and you don't want the stone to separate from its backer. So that's kind of an issue. Overall, did I like the product? Yes. Is it worth $80? Yes. Is it good quality? Medium quality, I think. Worth $80 all day long. Did it do a good job? Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, and I think it'll only get better. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy this type of content, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of DIY, auto mechanics, home renos, anything. Lawnmower repairs, whatever I need to do, I just make a video of it. So you'll see whatever I'm doing on my channel. Yeah, and that's about it. Anyway, thanks for watching.